Okay, little short, quick video. We got some drywall repair going on here today. We'll see. Might be a little instructional. Maybe we just put it in the text for you guys to follow along. But we're gotta go upstairs in the attic because we're on the second floor. Remove the insulation, and we gotta cut it open. Then we gotta replace it with new drywall. We gotta put the insulation back. So let's get going. Okay, so what we do, since we gotta go in the attic, we'll drill the pilot hole with a screw to let us know where we at and where we gotta get the insulation off. So now let's go to the attic. All right, we're switching it up. Got in the attic and we found out that these are just superficial cracks, which is a beautiful thing. Meaning superficial, meaning I can see them on this side, but you can't see them in the attic. So what we're going to do, we're going to switch up our plan. Instead of cutting it out, we're going to reinforce this drywall. As you can see, we found the cross member. And so we're going to do the same thing all the way over to reinforce it. And we're going to float it out, baby. So we'll be right back. for this one. The homeowner say they're gonna take care of the painting. So we just got it floated out. Gotta let it dry. They're gonna have to put some stain killer on that one, that spot right there, but it's all good, baby. All good. See you on next time.